I've been curious how oil rigs pop out of nowhere. How in the world do they build a 200,000-ton marvel of machinery and engineering in the middle of an ocean? The secret is they almost never build the oil rig in the middle of the ocean. They build it on land, then tow the building to its final spot and bolt it to the ocean floor. First, the main structure is built in a shipyard near shore. They build a huge steel frame and a giant topside deck with all the equipment for jack-up rigs. They build a barge-like hull with three massive legs for floating rigs. They build a big hollow hull that's stable like a giant steel float. Then comes the magic trick. Tugboats tow this monster out to sea, usually lying on its side on a barge or floating low in the water. At the location, the oil rig is flipped upside and pinned into the seabed with massive steel piles driven by hydraulic hammers. Heavy lift crane ships draw